Namaste and welcome. In today's session, I will be revising with you some more questions based on inverse of a matrix. Here we go. The first question goes like, here you need to show that the matrix A satisfies this particular equation. Using this equation, you need to find out A inverse. This question is taken from 2007 board examination paper. Now, already we have done the problems of this particular type. It's very important as far as the board examination is concerned. So let us do it once again. Now solution. You have been given the matrix A is equal to 2 minus 3, 3, 4. And also f of x is equal to x square minus 6x plus 17. This is what is given to you. Here, this implies what is f of a? It will be a square minus 6a plus 17. Here a square, a and all matrix. So, 17 I you need to write. I is nothing but identity matrix of order 2 because the given matrix A is also of the order 2. Now, you need to prove this f of A is equal to 0 matrix. Let us find out what happens here. A square is equal to A into A. That is 2 minus 3, 3, 4 multiplied by 2 minus 3, 3, 4. Now the usual way we need to do the sum. Let us take first row and first column. That will give us 2 2s are 4. Then minus 3 into 3 is minus 9. So plus into minus minus, so minus 9. Now consider the first row and the second column. That will be 2 into minus 3, minus 6 plus minus 3 into 4, minus 12. So let me write here minus 12. Now consider the second row and the first column. That will give you 3 2s are 6 plus 4 3s are 12. Now consider second row and second column. That will give you minus 9 plus 16. So a square is nothing but minus 5, minus 18, 18, again here you will be 16, minus 9. So which is going to be 7. This is what you are getting a square as. Now, let us substitute here. F of a is equal to a square minus 6a plus 17i. This will give you a square, we got it as minus 5 minus 18, 18, 7. Minus 6 into matrix A is 2 minus 3, 3, 4. So write over here 2 minus 3, 3, 4 plus 17 into identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, now let us simplify this. F of A is equal to minus 5 minus 18, 18, 7, then minus 6 into minus, now let me simplify here itself, minus, it is scalar multiplication of a matrix, so every element should be multiplied by 6. So minus, you will be having the matrix 12 minus 18, then 18, 24, then plus 79. So plus, every element should be multiplied with 17. You have 17, 0, 0, 17. Now, this is going to be, now collect all the corresponding elements. You will be getting, this is minus 5, minus 12, plus 17. Then minus 18, minus into minus, plus. So plus 18, plus 0. Here, 18, minus 18, plus 0. Then 7 minus 24 plus 17. Now, be simplified, we'll be getting this as minus 17 plus 17 will be 0. Minus 18 plus 18 again 0. Here also minus 18 minus 18 0. Here 24 minus 24 0. So which is nothing but the 0 matrix. This implies f of a is equal to a square minus 6a plus 17 equal to 0 matrix, hence proved. So first part is over. Now we need to find out A inverse using this matrix equation. So second part of it let us do now. You have a square minus 6a plus 17i equal to 0. Multiply throughout by A inverse, you will be getting A inverse into A square minus 6 into A inverse into A plus 17 into A inverse into I equal to A inverse into 0 matrix. Now this I can write it as A inverse into A into A. A square I am writing it as A into A minus 6I because A inverse into A is I plus A inverse into I is A inverse. So I will be getting 17 A inverse. Again A inverse into 0 matrix is 0 matrix. Now A inverse into A, here let me write what are the rules I applied over here. A inverse into A, since A inverse into A is equal to I and A inverse into I is A inverse. A inverse and I is A inverse. These are the two rules I made use of. Now, A inverse into A is I. Already I have written the reason over there. So, I into A minus 6I plus 17A inverse equal to 0 matrix. I into A is nothing but A minus 6I plus 17A inverse equal to 0. The reason is I into A is equal to A. Everywhere the reason should be written inside the bracket. Now this implies, let me keep A inverse alone this side, left hand side. The remaining terms let me take it to right hand side. I will be having 1 by 17 of, when it goes this side it will become 6I minus A. Okay. Now I need to simplify by substituting the matrix I as well as the matrix A. So what will I be getting? A inverse is equal to 1 by 17 of 6I. 6 into the matrix 1 0 0 1 minus the matrix A is 2 minus 3 3 4. Now if you see this 1 by 17 of scalar multiplication of a matrix, so I will be having 6 0 0 6 minus 2 minus 3 3 4. Now let me combine the corresponding terms. I will be getting it as 1 by 17 of 6 minus 2, that is going to be 4. 0 minus of minus 3 is going to be 3. Then here I will have 0 minus 3 is minus 3. 6 minus 4 is 2. That's all. So, I already proved when the matrix A is 2 minus 3, 3, 4, that satisfies this equation. Then, using that equation, I found out A inverse. Finally, you need to write both the answers. You need to write, we have proved x square minus 6x plus 17 equal to 0 matrix. That is, you should write it as a square minus 6a plus 79 equal to 0. Then, A inverse is equal to 1 by 17 of 4, the matrix 4, 3 minus 3, 2. That will be your final answer. Now, let's move on to question number 2. This question is taken from the NCERT textbook. Here, you have been given the matrix A and you've been asked to find out the numbers A and B such that A square A into A, this A is the matrix actually, plus BI, identity matrix. Here, since the matrix A is of order 2 by 2, I also will be of the order 2 by 2 is equal to 0 matrix. Then using this matrix equation, you need to find out A inverse. Okay, now let's do this sum. Solution. A is given to you as 3, 2, 1, 1. So what will happen to A square? A into A. That is 3, 2, 1, 1 should multiply with 3, 2, 1, 1. The usual way, the first row and the first column. That will give you 3 3s are 9 plus 2 into 1, 2. Then first row, second column. That will give you 3 2s are 6 plus 2 into 1, 2. Now consider second row and first column. That will give you 3 into 1, 3 plus 1 into 1, 1. Then second row, second column. That will give you again 2. 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 into 1, 1. So you are left getting the A square as 11, 8, 4, 3. Now I got A square. Let me consider this equation. You have been given A square plus A into A plus BI equal to 0 matrix. So let us substitute all the matrices. What A square we know, A we know, I also we know, 0 matrix also we can write. So let us substitute and get an equation now. 11, 8, 4, 3 plus A into, what is the matrix A? 3, 2, 1, 1 plus B into, identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1. 0 matrix is nothing but 0, 0, 0, 0. That's all. Now, let us simplify this. 11, 8, 4, 3 plus the scalar multiplication of a matrix. So, I will be getting 3A, 2A, A. Again, here every element should be multiplied with B. You will get B0, 0B is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Now let me correct all the corresponding terms. I will be getting 11 plus 3A plus B. First, then second element here will be 8 plus 2A plus 0. Third element will be 4 plus A plus 0. Then the last element will be 3 plus A plus B. Now, this matrix is 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now, since these two matrices are equal, the corresponding elements also will be equal. Hence, by equating the corresponding elements, we get 3A plus B will be equal to minus 11. Because 11 plus 3A plus B equal to 0. 11 plus 3A plus B equal to 0. That gives me 3A plus B equal to minus 11. Same way, next equation, this first equation. Second equation, 8 plus 2A is equal to 0. Take it as 2. Third will be 4 plus A equal to 0. Fourth equation, 3 plus A plus B equal to 0. Now, my aim is to find out the values of A and B. So, straight away from this or from this, I get A is equal to minus 4. Here also, 2A is equal to minus 8, A equal to minus 4. That's what we are getting. So, I got the value of A. Then, substitute the value of A either in 1 or in 4. You can easily get the value for B. So, let me substitute in 4. Substituting A is equal to minus 4. In 4, we get 3 minus 4 plus B equal to 0. This implies B equal to 1. Okay. So, the first part of the question we have answered now. We got the answer of A as minus 4 and B as 1. Let me write over here. A is minus 4, B is equal to 1. Now, A square minus 4A plus B is 1, I. Now consider equal to 0 matrix. You have been given this and you need to, using this equation, you need to find out A inverse. So consider this equation. What I have done over here, I substitute the value of A as minus 4 and B as 1. That is what we got in the first part of the question. Now, multiplying both sides by A inverse. This I can write it as A inverse into A into A. This A square I am writing it as A into A. Then minus 4 into A inverse into A is I plus A inverse into I is nothing but A inverse. A inverse into 0 is nothing but 0. Not 0, sorry, 0 matrix. We should say, call this as or say this as 0 matrix. 0. Now, what are the rules I made use of here? A inverse into A is equal to I. Then A inverse into I is equal to A inverse. Since. So, I have made use of these two rules. The next step, A inverse into A, already I have written in the previous step also as I. So, this will be IA minus 4I plus A inverse equal to 0 matrix. Now, I into A is nothing but A minus 4I plus A inverse equal to 0 matrix. The reason is since I into A is equal to A. The reason should be written inside the bracket. From here, let me keep A inverse alone this side. Let me take the other terms to the other side. I get 4I minus A. Let me substitute here 4 into 1001 minus A is nothing but 3211. 3211. Now, here it is scalar multiplication of a matrix. So, this will give me A inverse is equal to 4004 minus 3211. Now, let me combine that corresponding elements. Will be getting 4 minus 3 is going to be 1, 0 minus 2 minus 2, 0 minus 1 minus 1, then 4 minus 1, 3. So, this is going to be A inverse. Finally, you need to write your answer stating value of A is equal to minus 4, B is equal to 1 and A inverse is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1, 3. This will be your final answer. Now, we will move on to question number 3. This question is similar to the previous question what we did in today's class. Here you have been given the matrix A as 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. You need to find out the value of lambda so that A square is equal to lambda A minus 2I. I here is the identity matrix of order 2 because the given matrix A is also of the order 2 by 2. It's a 2 by 2 matrix. So, I will be taking it as 1001. After getting the value of lambda, we need to find A inverse using this particular equation. So, let's start doing this sum. This particular type is very, very important. Now, solution. Let us find out A square, which is A into A. Write the matrix 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 multiplied by 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Now you will be getting, considering the first row and the first column, it will be first row and first column, you will be getting 3 3s are 9 plus minus 2 into 4 minus 8. Then first row, second column, that's going to be 3 into minus 2 minus 6, then plus minus 2 into minus 2, which is going to be plus 4. Then consider the second row and the first column, that will give you 4 3s are 12 minus 4 2s are 8. Then second row, second column, 4 into minus 2 minus 8 plus minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. So this gives me 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4. I got now A square. Okay, name this as 1. Now RHS. Actually this is left hand side. Now RHS, we need to find out lambda times A minus 2I. So this is going to be lambda into, what is the matrix here? 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Minus 2 into, already I told you, I is 1 0 0 1 here. Now this is scalar multiplication of a matrix. So each and every element should be multiplied by lambda. So I will be getting 3 lambda minus 2 lambda, 4 lambda minus 2 lambda. Minus, same is the case here, every element should be multiplied by 2. So you will be getting minus, that is 2, 0, 0, 2. Now, let us combine the corresponding terms. We will be getting 3 lambda minus 2 minus 2 lambda minus 0. I am not writing it here. Here in this place it is 4 lambda. There it is minus 2 lambda minus 2. According to the sum, according to the sum, 1, the equation what we got here, A square equal to, that should be equal to 2. The result what we got. So 1 minus 2, let me write over here. 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4 should be equal to 3 lambda minus 2 minus 2 lambda, 4 lambda minus 2 lambda minus 2. Now, this particular step is again important. Since these two matrices are equal, the corresponding elements also will be equal. Hence, by equating the corresponding elements, we get 1 is equal to 3 lambda minus 2 implies lambda equal to 1. Same way, minus 2 equal to minus 2 lambda implies lambda equal to 1. Take the first element to the second row on both sides. 4 equal to 4 lambda implies lambda equal to 1. Then minus 4 equal to minus 2 lambda minus 2 implies, when this come this side, you get minus 2. Minus 2 equal to minus 2 lambda implies lambda equal to 1. So in all the 4 cases, we got the value of lambda as 1. Therefore, I got the value of lambda. Now I can easily write A square. So lambda is equal to 1. Now what will happen to A square? A square equal to 1 into A is A minus 2I. I need to find out A inverse using this equation. Multiply both sides by A inverse. I get A inverse into A square equal to A inverse into A minus 2 into A inverse into I. I can write this as A inverse into A into A. A square, I am writing it as A into A, which is equal to A inverse into A is nothing but I minus 2. A inverse into I is A inverse. So what are the two rules I am using here? Since A inverse into A is equal to I, and what is the other one? A inverse into I is equal to A inverse. A inverse into I is equal to A. A inverse. A inverse into I is equal to A inverse. That's what I am making use of. Here, A inverse into A is already written there I. This is IA is equal to I minus 2 into A inverse. But I into A is A. So, A is equal to I minus 2A inverse. Since I into A is equal to A. Now, here 2 times A inverse is equal to I minus A. Therefore, A inverse equal to 1 by 2 of I minus A. This is what I am getting. Let me substitute and get the final answer. A inverse is equal to 1 by 2 of I. I is nothing but 1001 minus A is nothing but 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Now this will give me, collect the corresponding terms, you get 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 0 minus of minus 2 is plus 2, 0 minus 4 is minus 4, 1 minus of minus 2 is plus 2. So 1 plus 2 is going to be 3. So the final answer, I can either leave it like this or I can divide each and every element by 2. So that will be minus 1, 1, minus 2, 3 by 2. That will be A inverse. So finally you need to conclude your answer as the value of lambda is equal to 1. That is the first answer. Second answer is A inverse is equal to, you write both. Half of minus 2, 2, minus 4, 3, which is equal to minus 1, 1, minus 2, 3 by 2. That will be your final answer. Now let us move on to question number 4. Here you need to show that the matrix A is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 3 satisfies this equation A cube minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11I3 equal to 0 matrix. Then using this matrix equation, you need to find A inverse. This question is taken from the NCERT textbook. Let's do it now. Solution. You have been given A is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 3. Now, A square, which is equal to A into A. That is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 3 into 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 3. Now, let's multiply this. First, considering the first row and the first column, I will be getting the elements as 1 plus 1 plus 2. That is 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Then, considering the first row and the second column, I will be getting 1 plus 2 minus 1. Then, first row and the third column, I will get 1 minus 3 plus 3. Now, second row and first column. That will give me 1 plus 2 into 1, 2, minus 3 into 2, 6, minus 6. Then, second row and second column will give me 1 plus 4 plus 3. 1 plus 4 plus 3. Then, second row and third column, it will be 1 minus 6 minus 9. Okay. Coming to third row and the first column, that will give me 2 into 1, 2, minus 1 into minus 1, 3 into 2, 6 plus 6. Then third row and second column, it will be 2, minus 2, minus 3. Now third row and third column, it will be 2 plus 3 plus 9. Okay, let me simplify this. This is nothing but 4 plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled, left with 2. Then you will be having only 1 here, plus 3 and minus 3 will get cancelled. In this place, minus 6 plus 3, which is minus 3. This is going to be 8. Here minus 15 plus 1, so minus 14. Here 8 minus 1, 7. Plus 2 minus 2 will get cancelled, left with minus 3. Here it is going to be 14. Now I got a square. Next, I need to find out a cube. So a cube is nothing but a square into a. Already I got a square as 4 to 1. 4 to 1. Minus 3, 8 minus 14. Minus 3, 8 minus 14. Then 7 minus 3, 14. 7 minus 3, 14. That is a square and multiplied with a. A is nothing but 1, 1, 1. 1, 2 minus 3. 2 minus 1, 3. Now we need to multiply these two matrices. First consider the first row and the first column. That will give me 4 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, now consider the first row and the second column. See, so many sums you have done in multiplication of matrices. So straight away I am writing it in this problem. 4 into 1, 4 plus 2 2s are 4, then minus 1. Considering the first row and the third column, that will give me 4 minus 6 plus 3. Now, second row and first column, that will give me minus 3 plus 8 minus 28. Okay, now second row and second column, that will give me minus 3 plus 16 plus 14. Now second row and third column, minus 3 minus 24, then minus 42. Coming to the third row and first column, that will give me 7 minus 3 plus 28. Then third row and second column, 7 minus 6 minus 14. Then third row and third column will give me 7 into 1, 7. Then minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. Then 14 into 3 plus 42. Okay, now let me simplify this. I will have 8 over here. Then 8 minus 1, which is 7. Here it is going to be 7 minus 6, which is 1. In this place, minus 31 plus 8, which is going to be minus 23. Okay, 23. In this place, it is going to be 30 minus 3 is going to be 27. Here, I will be having minus 69. Then 35 minus 3 is going to be 32. Minus 20 plus 7, which is going to be minus 13. Then in this place I will be having 16. If I add 16, 58. Okay, I got a cube. Let me substitute this a cube, a square and this a in these places. Let me see whether I am getting the zero matrix. Okay. A cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i3 is equal to, what is a cube? 8, 7, 1 minus 23, 27 minus 69, 32 minus 13, 58. Okay. Minus 6 into A square. A square is the matrix which is 4 2 1. Minus 3, 8 minus 14, 7 minus 3, 14. Then plus 5 into A. A is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 1, 3. Plus 11 into I3. I3 is the identity matrix of order 3. So it is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So once I write this 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. That's all. Now let me simplify this. 8, 7, 1 minus 23, 27 minus 69, 32 minus 13, 58. Now scalar multiplication of a matrix. So each and every element should be multiplied by 6. So I will be getting minus 24, 12, 6. Then minus 18, 48, minus 84. Then 42, minus 18, plus 84. Then here it is going to be 5, 5, 5, 5, 10, minus 15. Then 10 minus 5, 15. The next term again, every element should be multiplied by 11. I will be getting 11, 0, 0, 0, 11, 0, 0, 0, 11. Now let me combine the corresponding terms. I will be getting a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11 I3 is equal to 8 minus 24 plus 5 plus 11 plus 5 plus 11. Then 7 minus 12, 7 minus 12 plus 5 plus 0. Then 1 minus 6 plus 5 plus 0. Coming to second row, minus 23 plus 18 plus 5 plus 0. Then second element in second row, 27 minus 48 plus 10 plus 11 plus 10 plus 11. Now third element in the second row, minus 69, then minus into minus plus, plus 84, then minus 15, minus 15 plus 0. Coming to third row, 32 minus 42, 32 minus 42 plus 10 plus 0, then minus 13 plus 18, minus 13 plus 18 minus 5 plus 0. The last element, 58 minus 84, 58 minus 84 plus 15 plus 11. Now this is going to be, see here, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 11, 24, and minus 24, you will get 0 here. Plus 12 minus 12, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. Then 23 minus 23, 0. Here if you see 27, 37, 47, 48. 48 minus 48, 0. Now here it is going to be 84 minus 84, going to be 0. In this case 42 minus 42, 0. Here 18 minus 18, 0. In this case it is going to be 84 minus 84, 0. So I am getting 0 matrix, hence proved. Okay. Now that I proved this, I need to use this equation to find A inverse. So let me do that now. Let me write A squared here because I will be making use of this in finding out A inverse. So I already proved A cube minus 6A squared plus 5A plus 11I3 equal to 0 matrix. Let me multiply both sides by A inverse. I will be getting A inverse into A cube minus 6 into A inverse into A inverse into A square plus 5 into A inverse into A plus 11 into A inverse into I3 equal to A inverse into 0 matrix. Now this I am going to write it as A inverse into A square. Then here minus 6 into A inverse into A. This is going to be plus 5I. A inverse into A is I. Plus 11 into A inverse into I3 is going to be A inverse, which is going to be 0 matrix. Since it is given as I3, let me also write here I3. Now, what are the rules I made use of here? A inverse into A is equal to I. Then, A inverse into I is A inverse. A inverse into I is equal to A inverse. These are the two things I made use of. Coming to here, A inverse into A is I know that. So, I into A square minus 6I into A plus 5I3 plus 11 A inverse equal to 0 matrix. Now, this is going to be A square. I into A square is going to be A square minus I into A is A. So, minus 6A plus 5I3 plus 11 A inverse equal to 0 matrix. Here what I made use of, since I into A square is going to be A square and I into A is going to be A. All the reasons should be written inside the bracket. Now let me keep A inverse alone this side and all other terms let me take it to the other side. I will be getting A inverse is equal to 1 by 11 of minus A square plus 6A minus 5I3. Now I need to substitute for A square, A and I3 to get A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by 11 of minus A square. That will be minus 4, minus 2, minus 1, 3, minus 8, 14, minus 7, 3, minus 14. Then plus 6 into A. A is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 3. Then minus I3, 5I3 minus 5 into 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now this will be 1 by 11 of minus 4, minus 2, minus 1, 3, minus 8, 14, minus 7, 3, minus 14. Then scalar multiplication of a matrix. So you multiply every element by 6. I will be having here 6, 6, 6, 6, 12, minus 18, 12, minus 6, 18. Here minus 5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5. Now, let me combine the corresponding terms. I will be getting 1 by 11 of minus 4 plus 6 minus 5. Then minus 2 plus 6 plus minus 0. Then minus 1 plus 6 minus 0. Then 3 plus 6 minus 0. minus 8 plus 12 minus 5, 14 minus 18, then minus 7 plus 12 minus 0, 3 minus 6 minus 0, minus 14 plus 18 plus minus 5. Minus 5. Now let me simplify. This is nothing but 1 by 11 of matrix. Minus 9 plus 6, which is going to be minus 3. 6 minus 2, 4. 6 minus 1, 5. 3 plus 6, 9. Minus 13 plus 12, minus 1. Here minus 4, 5, 3 minus 6, so minus 3. Here it will be minus 19 plus 18, which is minus 1. So this will be your A inverse. So finally you need to conclude your answer stating that A cube minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11I3 equal to 0 matrix proved. And A inverse is equal to 1 by 11 of minus 3, 4, 5, 9 minus 1 minus 4, 5 minus 3 minus 1. This will be your final answer. With that, we have come to the end of this session. Thank you very much. I will meet you again in my next session.